What's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be useful as well as interesting because I have a very special item from Xiaomi to show you all. This is a super useful all-in-one multi-purpose toolbox. It consists of all the important and necessary tools a person would ever need to repair something at your home or even for your DIY projects. It's made by Xiaomi's sub-brand known as MIIIW, falls under Xiaomi's ecosystem only and comes in this sort of box packaging. We can see a picture of various tools on this box and there's nothing much written on it. It's a simple brown cardboard box. Let's quickly unbox and check out the product. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. There we go. Now let's open it and see what do we have on the inside. Oh, what's this? Looks like there's a huge case-like thing in the box. Damn guys, it's a big suitcase. Nice, I've never seen a toolkit that actually comes with this big case. The quality looks pretty nice, feels premium, but as you can see the box has got some scratches here and there, might be due to rough transportation. The suitcase is made of good quality polycarbonate material, has a MIIIW logo at the center, and if you can observe the entire case has a dotted pattern to give it a premium look and feel. There is nothing much written on it, just some info regarding the tools at the backside. And also has a handle at the top so you can conveniently carry it anywhere. Alright, now let's open it and see what do we have on the inside. Here we go. So on opening the box, we've got a user manual at the top, but it's entirely written in Chinese, so not of any big use to us. Now let's see what all sort of stuff we got in the box. Holy moly, now that's a good looking toolbox. It's got a complete matte black and silver color combination and looks awesome from our first look. We've got a total of 6 different tools in the kit. Let me show them to you one by one. So let's first start off with this one. Now this is a special screwdriver guys, it's not any other ordinary one, it's a magnetic ratcheting screwdriver. I'll tell you what that means in a moment. First let me give you a closer look at the tool. All the tools that we got in this box have been precisely crafted to offer you the best comfort and usability. The handle is made of TP material with anti-slip rubberized grip all over it, and the tools are also rust and oxidation proof. They feel quite comfortable when you hold them. That was about the handle. Well, the main body is made of zinc alloy material and it's also magnetic. So you can simply take any of these 10 screwdriver bits that you get free in the box and it'll automatically fix in the slot. Just like this. And the magnetic strength is also good. The bit doesn't fall off that easily. So that was a look at the screwdriver. Now let's move on to the next tool. This particular tool is called as a wrench. A wrench is a tool used to turn objects. It's like an adjustable spanner using which you can loosen or tighten up stuff like nuts or bolts. By rotating this, you can adjust the size according to the nut that you need to tighten up and get started. It also has a scale on it with markings to help you while working. All of these tools offer a good grip thanks to that rubberized body. Keeping that aside, this is a huge one. It's a 2-in-1 hammer. The special thing about this hammer is it's got 2 types of heads on both the sides. One end has a super strong carbon steel head while the other end has a soft PU material head. You can use them depending on the type of application. The soft side is generally used when you want to bend or hit something without causing damage to the surface. While for all the other regular works like hitting nails in the wall and stuff like that, you can use a metal head. Very nice and thoughtful. Going forward, this is called as a nose plier. A nose plier is a versatile tool with many uses, like you can use them for gripping, bending, or even for cutting small gauge wires. They're mostly used by electricians and engineers for a variety of things. The quality is good just like all the other tools, even this is made of zinc alloy material. The front end is mostly used for grabbing or rotating, while the sharp teeth at the center are used for cutting wires. So that is what a nose plier does, and this is the 5th tool in the kit. It's a safety knife which you can use to cut paper or sheets of cardboard or anything you like. It's got an auto-retracting design. That means whenever using, you just need to push the blade out, get the job done and release to automatically close it. Quite convenient and super safe as well. So along with the tools, the brand also provided around 10 screwdriver bits in the case and all of them are very commonly used variants. They're magnetic and have good build quality. One more nice thing I have to mention is the case also offers a dedicated storage compartment where you can store your frequently used screws, nuts or bolts in an organized manner. Especially I build a lot of PCs, right? So I can store all my M3, M4 screws, spacers, washers, all of them in this one single box. And the last tool in this kit is a measurement tape. Well, this thing is self-explanatory. There is nothing I need to tell. You just need to push this button at the top, pull the tape as per the length of the object, and put it on top of it to measure the exact length. And once you're done, just press the button to automatically retract. You can measure the length in feet, meters, or even centimeters just like this. So that's it guys, these were all the tools regarding Xiaomi's home toolbox. Now let me share my experience using them. This Xiaomi's all-in-one toolbox was mainly made for home purpose. Like if you've got some sort of repairings to do or you're doing some DIY engineering projects at home, you definitely need some tools, right? Well, these are more than enough. You can repair a lot of electronic gadgets with them. The hammer, the measuring tape, nose plier can be used for carpentry as well. It's a good toolbox. I've been using it for quite some time for my PC builds and other stuff at home. The tools were comfortable to use, they offered a good grip and faced no sort of issues. My favorite tool out of all these 6 was the Ratchet Screwdriver. If you guys don't know, a ratchet screwdriver has a special mechanism that allows the tool to apply turning force only in one direction, and the handle moves freely in the opposite direction. So the benefit of this thing is you can drive the screws without having to remove the bit out of the screw head for each and every turn. This makes using a screwdriver very convenient and easy. Well, that's it guys, that was my video on this super useful toolkit from Xiaomi. It's a good multi-purpose toolkit and I feel every house should have one of these. The only thing I felt was the price of the Xiaomi's toolbox was a bit expensive. It cost around 2500 rupees. If it was under 2000 rupees, it would have been awesome. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.